At the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona this year, Samsung introduced its new wrist-worn smartphone, which they called the Samsung ClickBand, which showcases its latest rollable and foldable concepts. Samsung has a strong track record in producing phones, smartwatches, and fitness bands. The ClickBand combines all of these devices in brand new device concept. When in candy bar mode, it resembles a standard phone, but with a unique series of fridges below the camera module. The ClickBand transforms by curving to create a seamless rounded structure. Samsung's wrist phone concept is still in early stages, and unlike other foldable phones, there aren't any noticeable creases, and the overall display remains impressively smooth when it's curved. It only goes part of the way around the wrist and could potentially slip off, and it doesn't adapt to different wrist sizes. And if you want to learn the entire history of laptops, click on this video. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.